Hi guys! So, impromptu vlog. You guys already know I apologize to you and all that. Advents did not go as promised, but we're gonna do it anyhow. I'm gonna take off my hat because it's kind of a shadow. So let's do it. So I just ended up opening the Funko Pops, and honestly, there was kind of a lot of. Oh wait, all right, we should have memory now. Okay, back to the program. So I ended up opening up the Funko Advent Calendar because we failed, you guys. I'll show you some, but it's kind of a lot. We got a ton. Okay, I'll show you another one. We got a ton of Mickeys, like a lot. I don't know how many versions. He's holding a bell. He's in the hat as well. Here's her Minnie. I mean, I love Minnie, but I'm pretty surprised how many versions we got of Mickey and Minnie. Because look, this one's my favorite though. This one's a newer one with the dress, traditional dress. But it was a lot of Mickey and Minnie, I won't lie. And then we even got Mickey and Minnie as a gingerbread. I thought it was going to be like a little bit more variety of characters. Because even, say for instance, Donald Duck. We got like a couple versions of him too. And then I thought Eeyore was really cute. But yeah, I like it. Would I get it again next year? No, because you can only collect so many of these. But we're going to move on to Sephora because I want to know what I got in this baby. So far, we got the Burberry perfume, which smells so good. Anastasia brow gel. We got an oil, which is the Maison Louis Marie. We got the Briogeo scalp and the Laneige lip sleeping mask, which I love all those so far. So we're just going to move on so I could show you what I got because I have not opened it up, you guys. And so far it's been really good. So what day did I end? I think we just ended on 6. I accidentally opened it up. I had to use the Anastasia brow gel, which I'm going to use all the... Ooh, that smells good. Ooh, smell my thumb. Smell it. Does it smell good?
Oh, wow, yeah.
Yeah, this is Giorgio Armani, My Way. My Way or the Highway.
Okay, bye.
Smells very good. Lost a little in the advent calendar, but that's okay. Okay, number 8. We got a thin one. What do you think? And all these minis I'm going to use in a video. I think that would be really fun. Yes, Ole Hendrickson Banana Bright Vitamin C Serum. I've actually always wanted to try that. I'm currently using the eye cream. I think it's good. It's not my number one favorite, but... Oh, whoa! I'm surprised. The Better Than Sex came in a duo. So it came as a mascara and the lip injection. You guys, I saw... Was it Jackie Aina and someone else? So we got the lip injection Extreme, which is the one that's the most potent, which actually works. So if you've ever wanted to like plump your lips up or try anything, try the Extreme. And we have the Better Than Sex mascara, little mini one. That one clumps up my lashes. It's not my fave. At first I liked it, but now I don't. It doesn't really agree with my lashes. Number 10, and they opened up a $3,500 advent calendar from Christian Dior, and I think, oh shoot, I have not tried this out. This is such a good one. Brazilian Bum Bum, babe, you love this. But it's the lotion, but in the scent. Yeah. And so I think it was all candles and like perfume or something. Look what a good size this is. Oh my gosh. This is a really good one so far. Probably one of the better ones. 11. Oh, I haven't tried anything from this brand. This is why I like advent calendars too. Try out new things. Wishful Yo-Glow Enzyme Scrub. But I've seen this because I like the holographic little logo. You guys, I have my Kiss nails. Look, press-ons. Love them. Someone thought I got them done. Okay, 12 at Ulta. The girl's like, your nails are so cute. I was press-ons. She's like, me too. And I was like, Kiss, because I recognized the design. She's like, yeah. I was like, yeah, me too. Okay, the perfume keeps like dropping in here. Like, oh shoot, some of the perfume escaped again. There's like a puddle. Aw. Okay, you guys have to be careful if you ever get this, because I keep losing some from the top. Quite a bit, I'm not going to lie. This is Replica Beach Walk. Oh, I've always wanted to try this. This smells sexy. Smell my thumb again. pull my finger.
That smells good.
Ooh, do you like it?
Yeah.
Are you attracted to me with that on? Number 13. I'm not going to show you the numbers, you guys. I'm just going to go through them. Is this even in Sephora? Sulwasu First Care Activating Serum. I'm not sure if this is Japanese or Korean. I'm thinking Japanese. Glenn might know. Let me read the back. Imported. Are these Japanese characters? Asian skincare is very good. Can you tell? I don't want to say the wrong thing.
Chinese.
Oh, Chinese?
Mm-hmm.
Oh, you can see them in the back too. Those are Chinese.
Oh, wait. Korean.
Korean?
Mm-hmm.
Okay, so it's Korean skincare. I was like, I feel like it's either Japanese or Korean skincare, so look at that. Have you guys ever tried this brand? I had no idea this was even a brand inside Sephora. Hey, you be nice. Hoko's playing with Ewok. Oh, what number was that? 9. This is 13. Okay, let's go to, where's 14? I'm still going in order. This one's a larger one. Oh, I haven't tried this. It's the body lotion from Necessaire. I don't know. We'll see. Do you guys do an advent calendar this year? I promise you. Ooh, Dr. Dennis Gross. Alpha, Beta, Extra Strength Daily Peel. Here. Oh, cool. We still have the Pets Advent calendars too, and I'm going to take all their toys from the Advent calendar and then just stick it in their stockings because they don't need double the toys. We went to Irvine Spectrum today and we got some treats. Do you have the CBD on you right now or no,
yes.
babe? Can you show it to me? Can you hand it to me like Dr. Dennis Gross? I really want to try the mask out. What's so weird is they actually reached out to me and they said they wanted to send me the mask and stuff. And they got all my information and then they never like sent anything. And I'm not one where ever hound brands at all. I've been kicked off PR lists, whatever. Like if they contact me, yeah, you know. I've honestly only contacted a couple brands like on my own, or I reached back out to them because they messaged me a long time ago. So, which is so funny because there was actually another brand, Innisfree or something, and they messaged me so many times and I missed it. And then I finally said, oh my gosh, I just finally saw them. It was like in my other message because sometimes it'll just put brands in like the last place, you know, and I'm trying to keep up, but I missed it. So I responded and then they never sent me anything. So I was like, it's okay. But then Dr. Dennis Gross, they reached out to me and then they wanted to send me the mask and stuff. And I was excited because I really wanted to try it out. And then I don't know what happened and they didn't send it out. So I sent a message. I was like, hey, just letting you know, like, following up, like if I'm going to be able to try it or whatever. I'm excited to try it out to see if it's even worth it. You know what I mean? Because lots of those things are gimmicky and I've already bought his own steamer. I've bought some stuff on my own. So that's why I don't really feel like weird asking or whatever. Plus it's a part of the job, you know? Some people just only want free stuff and I'm not like that. I buy a lot of my own stuff too. So, but then after they like read my message and never replied, but I'm thinking you guys are the ones who replied to me first, like asking for all my information. I don't know. It's their legit account. It's not like a scam account. So this is one of Ewok's Christmas gifts. Because, yeah, he needs this because he's, like, on edge. You know, he's saved. He's saved, you guys. He gets along with Hoku, but he does get, because she's a kitten, you know, so she's, like, excited to play and all that, and she loves him so much. But, you know, when you kind of have, like, a dog that you save from the streets that's a little grumpy and disgruntled, doesn't always work, so... Yeah, okay, number 16. Okay, it is a perfume, and I'm not going to lose any of it. Okay, I can't get it, but it's by Josie Jane Dulce. I'm going to get it. Oh, I got it. It didn't open because it's not like a pull top. So I kind of hope they do twist tops next year. Ooh, I kind of bent my nail a lot. Okay, what number was that? I don't know. Let's go to this one. Yes! You guys, I'm obsessed with this. I'm wearing it today. You probably can't tell. And I'm also trying out a new foundation because I'm going to be doing a trying viral TikTok makeup products. And I wanted to do the foundation, give it a test. I'm really loving it. It may not look that great right now, but I'm telling you, it is such a good one. It makes the face look very glowy and fresh. And It's bomb. I love it. Glow Screen, you guys. Super Goop. Oh my gosh. If I'm going to get sponsored by someone, they already sent me PR, but I'm saying like campaign wise, I will be number one because I'm number one fan of this. So yeah, if you guys are watching Super Goop, I absolutely love you. And yes, I accept your campaign. Because I love it so much. It's just so good. It's a product where if they ever took that glow screen away, I would buy like 20. Oh, Belief. I'm currently using this right now. The True Cream Aqua Bomb. Because my face has been really dry, so I'm trying to hydrate it. And I started noticing like my concealer, like my powder, and I was barely putting any powder. I wasn't baking at all, and I was using the sponge and lightly patting, and it started looking very dry around certain areas. I said, okay, I need to up the hydration, and it's really been helping. And hence why I'm using a more like hydrating foundation, and it's really nice. Oh, mascara. Oh, have I used? Yeah, I have. This is Monsieur Big Lancome. I actually like this one. I like the waterproof one. Shoot. Oh, 19. Where's 20? I'm still trying to go in order. You know, still trying to. Let me know if you guys want me to do the gummy bear calendars, and we'll just do that because it's pretty fun trying to like fight and battle, right? They're perfume, but I am actually not mad at it. I feel like I'm on a perfume kick. Shoot, it has a top. I feel like I'm on a perfume kick, and I feel like my friend Christine, Twilight Chick 143, is also. Ooh, this one's nice. These are some good sizes. What is this, though? It just says 22W11T4. Okay, I have good eyesight. I'm nearsighted also. I almost have 20/20 vision. My vision has improved. Oh, let's see. Okay, it's too much reflection right now. That is extremely small. I can see it, but I can't. Oh, I'm stupid. I can just look at the back, huh? What the perfume is. Ooh, this smells sexy. Don't worry, baby. You don't have to smell my thumb. Grande Lash MD Lash Enhancing Serum. I'm so glad it's not the mascara. I really, really like this stuff. It's good. But you got to constantly use it for it to really work. This one's a long one. So are you down for the gummy bear calendar?
Mm-hmm.
I kind of missed it, not going to lie. Oh, what's this? Oh, double. No way. Okay, I was obsessed with this product. There's an eyeliner on one end and a pencil on the other. Double take from Tarte, and I absolutely love the liner part. I think this is a good like pen to put. This is why I loved it. I would put this in my purse all the time when I was hyped on this, whenever we would go out. So say like I needed to hit my waterline when I was hitting my waterline more at the time, or I needed to help like, you know, put a little bit more pigment on my wing. This was like my go-to product because it's a 2-in-1. How do you say this? Caudalie. This is the Vino Perfect Serum. Caudalie? Right? Caudalie. Ooh. Laura Mercier Pure Canvas Primer. I have not tried anything from Summer Fridays. This is the Jet Lag Mask. Right here. Let me know what you guys have tried out for Summer Fridays. I don't know what's good. I heard a tinted moisturizer was very popular, but then who was it? I forgot who I was watching, or was it a TikTok video? I don't know. I can't keep up, but I heard that their tinted moisturizer is way too overpriced for what it does, and you can just get a drugstore one, which is why I love drugstore. And then I have Clinique. What is this? The Black Cherry or Black Honey. Yeah, this one's very popular. I feel like Clinique is very just blah. It's just never. It's not there for me. My mom loved Clinique. Sugared Grapefruit. That was always her favorite lipstick, and then they discontinued it. And then we have a bonus. And it's a Sephora mask in a lychee face mask or lychee. Oh my gosh, that's like my favorite flavor. Favorite flavor of juice, margarita, and of boba. All right, guys, well, that's my whole entire thing. Babe, you don't want to show yours, huh? It's okay if you don't want to. Or you want to pass? You can pass. What? It's okay. Never mind. All right, guys. That is it for my Sephora Advent calendar. I know Glenn opened his. I don't know. Do you want to show your Advent or no? You don't have to. I don't want to force you. Yeah, he said, I didn't think so. He's like, it's okay. But he did all his Legos and stuff. Also purchased this because now I can see it. What's that perfume? I never looked in the back to see what it was. I made sure to be very good. Oh, it's a Valentino. I love Valentino Born in Roma. That is such a sexy scent. It is my favorite. Oh, I had points where I got the $100 gift. You can redeem your points because I saved mine, you guys, for only good times. And I saved mine, and I finally got the $100 Sephora credit, and I used it for this. So all this stuff was just free. So I was like, okay, perfect. I was gonna open Advent anyhow. So there you go. Next year, let me know if you just want me to get an Advent calendar, just open it all at once, because I noticed a lot of people really like that, and that people don't want to see it daily. But I'm down to do like the daily gummy bear battles. What do you think? All right, guys, I'm gonna get going. We did some shopping today. Still behind. Not freaking out. It's not a big deal. I'm excited for the new year. Earlier today, like me and Glenn, we're just like talking, you know what I mean? And just talking about goals and stuff like that. So I'm excited for the new year. So let's do it together. Let's go through 2023. Let's start off strong. Yes. What else? I think that's about it, you guys. So I'm gonna get going. I hope you enjoyed. And thank you for opening my Sephora Advent calendar with me. All right. Love you guys. And I'll see you in the next one. Mwah.